New York has significant subsidies. They have their own local labor market. How could California be able to compete with New York unless it matched New York's subsidies? And theirs is what, $400-some million a year?
Well, that's the important distinction you need to make, is that there's the total amount of money available for subsidies in the percent. New York offers a 30% subsidy. California offers a 20%. But New York's a lot more expensive to film in, and they're trying to build up their base. In California, we have a much larger base. Even after you look at it, we have more than twice the number of people involved in production here in California than they do in New York. More than 2.5 times, really. So what that says is that we have the talent. The catch is keeping it here. So what our problem is right now is that the incentives are just $100 million. And as you said, they don't cover certain kinds of very important productions.
And the money's gone after the lottery early on, so most productions can't qualify.
Exactly. And part of the issue also is that the lottery was there to solve the issue of not enough money. And what it does, though, is that it creates a risk factor. It creates chance when people want to be able to plan out where they're doing their productions. So they're stuck waiting, and a lot of productions can't afford to wait around for themselves to come off the wait list. If they're, when there's a waiting list of 300 productions, they don't know if and when that's going to happen. And if they need to start filming, they're going to go somewhere else. They know they can get the incentive.